How to disassemble the modular headsets. Step 1. Tear off the ear pads. Step 2. Take out the electronic modules from the ear cups. Step 3. Unplug the cable. How to assemble the modular headsets. Step 1. Plug in the cable into the electronic module L. Please make sure the triangle mark on the cable plug is facing upwards. Step 2. Insert the electronic module into the corresponding slot on the headband module. Step 3. Install the ear pads and using the plastic pry bar to press the outer sleeve of the ear pads into the headset buckles.